Alright, here's a quick demonstration on NoSQL databases, and in this case, I'm going to be using MongoDB. So, let's create a database. I'm obsessed with the TV show Survivor, so I'm going to make a database about Survivor seasons. So our collection name is going to be seasons, and a collection is very similar to a JSON file. It contains the documents, and the documents are in the form of key value pairs in sets. One set equates to one document, essentially. So let's create our document and go into the shell so we can start working with it. Right now, you can see that we run .find on our collection, and we see that there are no documents in there. So let's put some in. First things first, we need to, I'll start with 1. So I want to explain how documents actually work. The keys are just words to associate them with, and the values can be anything. They can be strings, they can be numbers, they can even be smaller documents. Like you can see here, we have finalist as a key, but then its value is another document with its own set of key values of winner and runner-up. So we run that, and this message means that we now have our first document. And if we want to see that document, we can run .find again. And there it is. If we want to insert a bunch of documents all at once, we can do that with the insert many command. This one was successful, and we now have our list of our new set of documents. And if we do find again, we now have our list of seasons. Next, I want to show some ways you can extract data. You can do title, and then this is what it sifts through, and then the second bracket here is what it provides. So, you know what? Let's do number. Now for title, I'll go with Thailand. And for number, this operates on a true-false, so 1 for true. And it reports our number, which is 5. Another thing that you might want is to change a piece of data that you've added in previously. So for that, we can do db.seasons. I'll update 1. You can update many with similar conditions, but in this case, I'll update, let's update Marquesas. For that, you're going to want your ID, and then what we're now going to do is use an operator. $ is to mark operators in this. Set, let's set its number to 6. And then run it. There we go. And it did work. Number from our cases has now been set to 6. And let's say you also wanted to delete a piece of data. You're able to do that. So, in this case, I'll do the same thing. I'll do delete 1, and I'll go to Australian Outback this time. Grab ID, delete it, and now you'll now notice we are down to only 4 documents. So this is just one way you can manipulate data using NoSQL, in this case, MongoDB. Thank you, everyone.